Recogniform Recognition Station is the core of the data capture flow. During the recognition, documents' images are optimized, and information is captured and verified according to templates instructions. At the end of the recognition, each batch returns to the control server, marked as ready for verification, or for output. The recognition phase can be executed by the Recognition Station application, of from the recognition service. Process is completely automatic, 24/7, and does not require any operator activity. That's why recognition phase takes place usually server-side. In fact, it's the step that more than the others, requires processing power, especially in terms of CPU. Remember that Recogniform recognition engines are unlimited in terms of speed. The faster the hardware, faster the recognition. In the settings window you can configure control server IP address and port, the polling interval, the log level, the notification for versions with documents volume limit, and the automatic application restart options. The start-stop command allows to temporarily stop the control server polling. If polling is stopped, the current batch recognition will be completed, but no other jobs will be retrieved further. Recogniform Recognition Station can run as a Windows service, using the Recogniform Recognition Service configuration utility, provided within software installation.